Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So 2 weeks ago, I went to the grocery store, and when I came out, I was so angry to see that somebody had left a box of garbage on top of my car. As I got closer and peeked inside, I realized that it was a little baby kitten. I looked around, there was nobody else there. I didn't know what to do. I already had 2 dogs at home, and my husband claims to be allergic to cats, so I knew that we couldn't keep her, but I also knew that I couldn't leave her there in this parking lot. So I brought her home. My husband was not happy when he seen me coming up the pathway with this little furry bundle of joy in my hands, and he said that we couldn't keep her, and I told him that I didn't know what to do with her, so we have to at least keep her long enough to find her a good home. He agreed. Well, this is Benny Blanco, our Chihuahua, and that's the kitten that I'm talking about that was in the box. Her name is Chloe. No, it's Cleo, sorry. Her name is Cleo Leilani Rose Elizabeth Zimmerman. Yeah, it's a really long name, I know, longer than her. But anyways, Cleo and Blanco did not get along for the first couple of days. She hissed at him, he barked at her. But despite our best efforts to keep them separated, there was no preventing the friendship that was blossoming between these two. I have never in my life witnessed such a genuine, innocent, adorable bond between a dog and a cat. I mean, I'm sure it exists. I just never seen it with my own 2 eyes. And not only did Cleo find her way into Blanco's heart, she also wiggled her little way into my husband's heart. My husband has never had a cat, and he doesn't like cats, but he is head over heels for this kitten. Cleo has really brought more life into our home. We didn't know what a big impact this little kitten in a box was going to have on our lives and on our family as in a whole, all the way down to our dogs. But this little tiny kitten, tiny kitten, has really brought so much love and happiness into our home. Our home wasn't miserable before, but she has definitely brought our home to a higher level of happiness. Every day she puts a smile on our face. Who would have known that that little tiny 3-pound kitten would have such a huge impact on all of our lives, especially my husband and Blanco? Well, I wanted to just share this video with you guys so you could see how they play together. I hope it puts a smile on your face. And please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and the like. Oh yeah, and watch the rest of the video. I think there's like 40 seconds left. All right, guys, I hope I put a smile on your face. Talk to you later. Bye.
Blanco, you love your friend. That's your kitty. Is that your kitty? Kiki, get back now. Get back, Kiki. Let them play. That's how they play, sweetie. I've never seen a kitten and a puppy play like this. Kiki, stay back. You guys are so silly, Blanco. You're a silly boy. KK, be nice to my kitten.